Hello everyone, Dr. Joe here. Today I just wanted to give you a quick video on making human energy. So I have this chart right here. We're going to go down the column and what does it produce. We end up with something here called ATP, which is energy. So let's go ahead and start. The first one is glucose. That's what you need for energy. We start with get glucose in your system. We go to anaerobic glycolysis. There's fermentation in the cytoplasm. You end up with 2 ATP. The other thing with the 2 ATP, you end up with lactic acid that can lead to some cramping. So that's the first level once you get to glucose in your system. The next thing you go into is the Krebs cycle. That's the traditional respiration that most people think about. It's respiration of the mitochondria. Again, you end up with 2 ATP. So just to start from the beginning, anaerobic glycolysis, 2 ATP. Krebs cycle, 2 ATP, which is the unit of the energy, short for adenotriphosphate. And then the next one down the column is the electron transport chain. So that has respiration of the mitochondria. There's 5 levels inside the mitochondria, and you end up with 34 ATP. 34 ATP is a lot better, a lot more than 2 and 2. So you can see that that's the best way to get the energy in the system. Sometimes it's blocked. Let's go over these here. It's blocked by the nitric oxide. It's also blocked by fructose. Fructose is the evil twin of glucose. You got to be careful with fructose. It's in a lot of foods and sodas out there. They also call it high fructose corn syrup. That leads to another problem because 90% of the, I believe, the corn and soy in this United States is a GMO, which can lead to the fructose that they're getting from these sources can lead to the same thing. But the thing that can unblock it is the red laser. So in this office, we use a low-level cold laser. We have red, we have violet. Not too long ago, they just released the green laser, cold laser. So these different frequencies get into different levels of the mitochondria. They're very beneficial. And as you can see here, the red laser helps to provide the energy to get to the 34 ATP. Now there's one more thing to get to this chain without going through the traditional glucose, which is ketones. The ketones is the medium chain saturated triglycerides. For example, coconut oil. These are your MCTs. So these are your medium chain triglyceride oils. The high they take you right to the electron transport chain and they give you the 34 ATP. So that's a big thing you should look into when you're trying to get energy in the body, especially if you're an athlete trying to into the sporting events. You want to, or just normal daily life. If you have fatigue, maybe there's something going on in the process here. So remember, 34 ATP, you can get to there from glucose, but ketones is a quicker way to get there. All right, well, that's just a quick video. Just wanted to let you know. Remember to check out the coconut oil or other MCT oils out there. Maybe get it into your system. Until next time, live happy, live healthy, be strong, be well.